Page 12, Coventry Carol. 3/4 time. It's got one flat in the key signature, so we're in the key of F. No, we're not in the key of F. You think one flat's F major? Keep in mind there's a minor key that goes along with every major, so there's a minor key with one flat too. It happens to be D minor. That's what we're in. We're in the key of D minor here. How do I know that? Well, let's just take a look at it. First place, F major sounds different than D minor. If you just play it, does that sound like this or this? I think it sounds more like D minor. But usually I look at the last measure or so, and I look at the chord, and we have here, we have a D major chord. A lot of times a song in a minor key, they'll end it with a major chord at the end. So instead of a D minor chord, which is what it is, they just have the F sharp and makes it a major chord. Just changes it just a little bit. So let's take it one hand at a time again. Starting with the right hand, third finger's here. That puts you in this position, but you got flats and there's a sharp there, so we'll adjust accordingly. So we're here, C sharp, 2, 3, 2, C sharp again. Now you're going to lift up and move up. It's the end of a phrase. Just lift up and move. And then again, you're at the end of a phrase. There at the end of the second line. Just lift. You're not moving, just lift up. Otherwise, you've got to connect all these notes. And then cross over for the C sharp. Stay where you are because you need the thumb again. Lift up. And now at the end it's an F sharp, a D F sharp there for that. So it's all connected except between the phrases. And the left hand starting G here, so you're starting here, is here, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you get to rest a while. Go to sleep, take a nap, whatever. Second line, it's here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. Make sure when you play that note in the right hand, it's by itself. It's because the left hand has a rest. Go down to the last line. Now here you got to move. What they're suggesting is you stay here and you just cross over. Here, it's okay if you want to do that. My tendency is to actually put the hand there and then just reach under with the thumb. Because it's easier, it's more comfortable for me if I can do this to this than to have to stay in this position for a lengthy period of time. This to me is tense. I don't like this. So I just relax, and then when I need it, I can move the thumb down. And that moves the hand down. That's what I recommend. So play it here and then move the thumb down when you need it. Another way you can do it is simply play the B with the thumb. And then 2, and then you reach down with the little finger. If I were playing this, just me playing it, that's how I would finger it. I don't want to cross over or reach the thumb under any more than I have to. So if I don't have to, I ain't going to. So that's how I would do it. 1, 2, 5. Then put the hands together and see what we get. Well, we're here and here. Remember where you are. This is just right hand. 2, 3. Remember that D is tied. Lift up. Lift up. Reach down. Remember the D and the F sharp are tied. Hang on to them. Now for speed it says smoothly. It's not a speed. But a lot of times where they put the speed, the tempo mark, it's not really a tempo mark, it's a mood. And based on the mood, you decide how fast it goes. Smoothly isn't even a mood. But this is more like a lullaby. You're putting somebody to sleep. So gently, it's not going to be fast or slow. How fast would you sing it? You just got to keep it. it flows. 1, 2, it's like a waltz. There's a retardando at the end where you can slow it down. You 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's pretty. Let's try this together slowly. Now remember, if you can, bring out the melody, the right hand. Just, it's a sort of soft, medium soft, moderately soft, whatever. You decide what that is. And then keep the left hand softer than that. I'll give us 3 counts. Let's play it together. So put your hands where they go to start, here and here. 1, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2, 3. 2.